All right, third grade. Today we are just practicing and continuing showing money amounts. You're going to be representing money. You're going to be counting money. And then like here, you're going to show me how to make $12.54 in two different ways. You're going to tell me how much money's in the bag. Some of this we may do together. Down here you have some test prep questions. We have some problem solving questions. So that's what this is going to look like. I am just going to review counting money with you guys here. And then you're going to do a couple slides by yourself. And then I will review again, and then you'll do some more slides by yourself, okay? So let's start counting this money. Right here I have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6. And this is going to be a nickel, 5, 10, 15. This is a dime, 20, 25, 26. So $6.26. I'm going to write that out, and I can drag this one over. Okay, let's count this one. $1 and $5. That is $6. And then I have a nickel. And because I have a lot of different coins, you can put your little hairs on your money before you start counting so you don't lose track and you can count correctly. This is a quarter, so it has 5 hairs. 4, 5. This is a dime. It has 2 hairs. This is a quarter. It has 5 hairs. And this is my penny, and it has a bun. All right, so let's start counting. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66. So I have $6.66. This is 5, 10, 15, $16. And then I'm going to put my hairs on my coins before I start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's start counting. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86. So I have $16.86. And I know I could just drag this over because it's my last one, but I'm going to double check and make sure that I am correct. $10, $15, $16, $17. 25 cents. This is only a nickel, so that's 25, 30, 35, 36. And if you want your hairy money, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, and there's your little bun. Here is $17.36. Okay, this one you're going to represent your money in different ways. That's what you're going to do on this slide. And then on this next slide, you're going to tell me how much money is in the bag. And I give you some coins over here that you can use in practice, or you can draw them by yourself. So that's what you're going to do for these next 2 slides. All right.